Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about one important question of science of class 10, that is the checkerboard of dihybrid cross. Dihybrid, di means two, a crossing of two traits. So here two different seeds with two different traits are selected to cross. So one is round and yellow and the other one is wrinkled and green. So for round and yellow we have capital R and capital Y. Capital R stands for round, capital Y stands for yellow, and here wrinkled and green. Small r stands for wrinkle and small y stands for green. So the first generation, for this first crossover, the gametes what we have is, for round yellow we have capital R and capital Y, and for wrinkle green we have small r and small y. Means the first generation what we get here is, means the first checkerboard what we get of F1 generation is of this type. RY is crossover RY. So when we write the fusion, means the hybrid combination of the gametes, always the capital part we write first, and that is the dominant trait. So here R, Y, R, Y. The same thing we get here. So from this what we conclude, that all the seeds from this F1 generation are round and yellow. So round and yellow are the dominant traits of this F1 generation. Now the F2 generation of this same seeds, though these traits are dominant, this small r and small y traits are present, but they are recessive traits. Though we can't see these characters in the seeds, but they are present. Now let's check how to write the checkerboard of this F2 generation. So the gametes what we have from the F1 generation are RR, YY. So now let's write the combination of the gametes what we have here is RY, capital R, capital Y, RY, capital R, small y, RY, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So now we have to write the crossing of these gametes. So now I think it's clear to you how to write the crossing over. We write all the gametes in this horizontal row and the same combination in this vertical row. Always the capital part we have to write first and then the small letter. So here RR, YY, both are capital. RR, one Y capital and one small y. R, capital R, small r, both are capital Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Now similarly we have to complete all these blocks by writing the combination of this gametes. Now if you observe which type of seeds we get here, means which is the dominant trait in the F2 generation. So here all the seeds are not same type. We have one ratio in this. Now for the better understanding I have shaded some blocks here. You can see here few blocks are shaded in reddish color, few blocks are shaded in green color, then purple and yellow. So here the blocks which are shaded in red color, they are round and yellow. Means round and yellow, these are the dominant traits here, and we have 9 such seeds. Then next one which I have shaded in green color, these seeds are round and green. See, we have capital R in all these 3 blocks, and the Y here are, both the Y are small, means green is the dominant character here, dominant trait we can say. So here these 3 seeds are round and green. Now the next which I have shaded in purple color, here what we find, both the R are small, means the seed is wrinkled, and Y is capital and it is yellow. So these 3 seeds are wrinkled yellow. And the last one block which is shaded in yellow color, both the letters are small, means the seed is wrinkled and green. Now if we write the phenotypic ratio, means the traits what we get here, it is 9:3:3:1. Means 9 seeds are round yellow, 3 seeds are round green, 3 seeds are wrinkled yellow, 1 seed is wrinkled green. So this is phenotypic ratio. It's very easy to write phenotypic ratio. But the genotypic ratio, 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. Oh my god, this is quite big ratio. But don't worry, it's not at all difficult to write this ratio. This ratio is according to the exact combination, means it is the ratio of the similar type of blocks. 1 stands for this, capital R, capital Y. Here both the R are capital and both the Y are capital, and we have only one type of such block. So it is 1. Next 2 is this one. See, these are similar. 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 4. All these 4 blocks are same. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. All these 4 are same. So this is 4. Is to 2, is to 1, is to 2, is to 1. So it's so simple to write even the genotypic ratio. So I think how to write the checkerboard and how to write the phenotypic and genotypic ratio for this checkerboard is quite clear to you. Means for F2 generation of pea plant is quite clear. As I said, this is very important question for board exam. So now if this is clear to you, don't forget to share this interesting important information among your friends. And to get the update of such interesting and useful videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And apart from this, if you want explanation of any other concept, you can drop your query in our comment box. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.